ke katne ke surab dei Julai ke ong hin cham sna
2019
te nga pik nga mod ban tho hi officially ba sange namar kinik trai kendau mok ki persa ngam ong dei ke bordar de namar ngamla ban ong persange namar ke dei ke mok ke dei ke bordar le ke district de namar ke di kot banginam penthot ik luam luap Hendai ngong pinga klamla ban tho official formally ban pensange kumbaki kwa nama dikata ke dikata ke nong demo mengadai ban dikena dikilanas ngipat yo re ke les
karena jing dai bat kiwe we ka hadi ne gi dang sen kadang gajing penyeng elektrik ding elektrik post ba dan nu dan ba asan ban Pempoi boarding, mukai ram, halor betul kita nengay boarding
ya keto tengah ada nama lim lawan dekat snong, bagi klim hi bagi dekat cloud snong, ngalatho sepok di si Assam, bansangnya bat kiru kela cupap, ba keto kedai ke sental scheme ang ngam ke katakan don bagade ke right to ke ban snai ke ban ring ki light ki tu kemat ngalatip ngalapen bat kele jubab ru bagade ke scheme ke ba ba ke we ke scheme jor sentral ban tani ke boarding light gitu di pentas.
Ini senang dia.
Kiluan kendo yang ban ngetho ikata ya kata ki hadir kita ki ngapit ti tubsno ngam yot buat ki ya persa di kam persa.
Kumpulan mentah kijing kena ai jong ki nang senang bodar ba kamdan gajing bro pediang yang ka status quo. Hajing siam jong ki kum hek industri part semua.
Pik ya ke don hi hang ne hang tai henry in general ngai bag ni burong phiru pasai pete ketuk surok napok berto mukro ceduk diteng kaya nang ta ke school hapo mau lebar begisna kekaya
kamdan
ke kamdan
dan bijing singako lan ni matel yang kamdan
ke kamdan henry ke ong ya kata ke communication ke dan diteng biaslam bat Muslim nama teng komunikasi surab nama ke yuk ke bagi ke next dong tahun komdeng ma kedai ke bana ki por muncua hakiki sim kedai ke expansion dan ke yuk komdeng suka pertemuan tak ada yang bengi komdeng suka pertemuan tak ada ngi klam penting.
Today we have met our Honorable Deputy Commissioner of West Java Hill District together with our committee members, but we apprise him today about the border issue regarding the road construction by the government of Assam. We, as a member of Lapangap Khanduli Border Area Joint Action Committee, we strongly oppose the illegal encroachment and the road construction by the Assam government within the Lapangap areas. As well, it falls under the Meghalaya demarcation. The people of Lapangap, they live there because this beautiful land we got from our forefathers for cultivation and use another activities. But if we lost it today, then very difficult to get it back. So as a people of that area, we strongly oppose the road construction by the Assam government. But today also we have apprised and request our Deputy Commissioner, please follow up what we have submitted last year, 2019. But we request him to stop the road construction because once they completed the road by the Assam, our farmers and the landholders, they are crying to whom to approach. They will regret for the future because the Assam, they will force them even to register to Assam government. or maybe they will disturb them from time to time. But as a member, as a committee, we came here today, totally oppose this road construction. But what happened last year, 2019, as a Lapangap village, they came just to repair the route from Lapangap to Khanduli, just to reach the Khanduli market. But suddenly, the Assam government, along with the heavy force, they came and disturbed us, not allow us to do the work. But what happened also to Khanduli? Our PMGSY route from Khanduli to Mokairam, already 5 years now, we cannot do the work. They stop us. We cannot do anything. But as a committee, we strongly oppose this strategy and tactics of the Assam government. So, as a member, we came here and met our DC. Please stop. Because if they continue again to construct this road, the people of that area, they will come. They will come and maybe they will do anything very sad maybe. Okay. But today,
why take you so long to complain to the Deputy Commissioner? You have complained it since July 2019, and again you complain it today. Why take you so long? And the construction is going on, and Assam have even blacked up your road also.
Not very long. See, last year 2019, month of September, we have submitted a memorandum. Again, month of October again we come. Then again, month of November, again we come to meet DC. Then he asked us some documents. But that also, even the PATA, the land PATA we have submitted to Deputy Commissioner. Then he still not keeping and delay. It's not good. Keeping and delay.
The Deputy Commissioner Office and the border magistrate said that they have not received any documents from the villagers. What is your say on that?
No, we have submitted. We have submitted some documents. We have submitted. This is just to watch only. But as a committee, we take seriously for this matter, for the betterment of the people of that area, as well for the honor of the Jantai Hill.
As you have said that even the PMGSY road which Meghalaya government has constructed has been stopped. Where is that road?
Yes, the road from Khanduli to Mokairam, PMGSY road, another route from Satsama to Artiang. Already 5 years now, we cannot continue the work. When they start the work, the Assam government, they come and disturb. But even they destroy the vehicles. But it is our right, it is our feeling, our conscience to stop the road constructed by the Assam.
Do you mean to say that the Assam government does not obey or comply with the status quo?
Yes, actually they should respect the status quo. But the Assam government, they do not respect the status quo. We respect, but Assam government, they do not respect. So it is very sad. They create us a confusion and complicated. So we have to do something in order to make our people and the landholders to continue and do their usual work there.